Students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website, Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch of our channel. Today in this video, we are here to see you a video related to GSEB solution for class 7 mathematics, chapter 2 fractions and decimal, exercise 2.2, question 5 to question 8. So let's see question 5. So we have to find half of 24 and 46. So half of 24 is 12. So 1 into 24 divided by 2. So we will get 12. Half of 46, that is half into 46. Half into 46 upon 2 equals to 23. Then we have to find 2 upon 3 of 18 and 27. So 2 upon 3 of 18. So we can cut it. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So 6 into 2 is 12. 2 upon 3 of 27. So 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So 9 upon 2 is 18. 3 upon 4 of 16. 3 upon 4 of 16. So 3 upon 4 into 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 4 into 3 is 12. 3 upon 4 of 36. So 3 upon 4 into 36. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So 9 into 3 is 27. 4 upon 5 of 20 and 35. So 4 upon 5 of 20. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, 4 fours are 16. 4 upon 5 of 35. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So 7 into 4 is 28. Next question is multiply and express as mixed fraction. So 3 and 1 upon 3 up into 5 and 1 upon 5. So 3 into 5 and 1 upon 5. So first we will convert into mixed fraction, proper fraction. So 3 into 26 upon 5. So 3 into 26 is 78 upon 5. Then we will convert that into again mixed fraction. So 78 upon 5 is 15 and 3 by 5. Next 5 and 5 into 6 and 3 by 4. First we will convert 3 and 6 by 4 into simple fraction. So that is 27 upon 4. 5 into 27 upon 4. So 135 upon 4. Then we will convert again into mixed fraction. So 33 and 3 by 4. 7 into 2 and 1 by 4. So 7 into 9 upon 4. 7 nines are 63 upon 4. So 63 upon 4 into mixed fraction, it will get 15 and 3 by 4. 4 into 6 and 1 by 3. So 6 and 1 by 3, first we will convert into simple fraction, that is 19 upon 3. Then we will multiply 4 into 19 upon 3. So 4 into 19 is 76 upon 3. So our answer is 25 and 1 by 3. Next, 3 and 1 by 4 into 6 equals to 13 upon 4 into 6. So 13 into 3 upon 2. So 13 into 3 is 39 upon 2. 39 upon 2, if you convert into simple fraction, that is 19 and 1 by 2. Next, 3 and 2 by 5 into 8. 3 and 2 by 5. We will convert into simple fraction, that is 17 upon 5 into 8. Then 17 into 8 is 136 upon 5. Then we will convert that into mixed fraction. So it is 27 and 1 by 5. Next we have to find half of 2 and 3 by 4. So half of 2 and 3 by 4 and 4 and 2 by 9. So half of 4 and 2 by 9 equals to half into 4 and 2 by 9. 4 and 2 by 9 we will convert into simple fraction, that is 38 upon 9. We will cut the 2 2 ones are 2 and 2 19s are 38. So 19 upon 9, that will be converted into simple mixed fraction. So it is 2 and 1 by 9. Next, 5 upon 8 of 3 and 5 by 6. First we will convert 3 and 5 by 6 into simple fraction. So 23 upon 6. Then we can cut any numbers. We will see, no, we can't cut. So 5 into 23, that is 115, and 8 into 6, that is 48. Then we will convert that into mixed fraction again. So the answer is 2 and 19 upon 48. Next, 5 upon 8 of 9 and 2 by 3. First we will convert 9 and 2 by 3. So that is 29 upon 3. Then we will see any number is cutting. No. So 5 into 29 is 145. 8 into 3 is 24. Then 145 upon 24 is the answer. Then we will convert into mixed fraction. So answer is 6 and 1 by 24. Next, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? So total quantity of water is 5 liter. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5 liters. So 2 by 5 of 5 is 2 liters. Therefore, Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. What fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So Pratap consumed the remaining part. Therefore, 1 minus 2 by 5 part of water. So 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So we will cut 5 minus 2, that is 3 upon 5. So Pratap drank 3 upon 5 liter of water. So this was our video. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.